Welcome. In front of me is Xiaomi RedmiBook 14, and in this video I will show you how to change wallpaper on this laptop. So to change the wallpaper, right click on your screen, select Personalize, go to Background, and then to personalize your background you can choose one of the four options. The first one is Picture. So if you select picture, you'll have the picture on your screen, and you can either select one of the recent images. For me, those are the standard Windows backgrounds, and you can also choose your own photo by clicking Browse Photos and selecting the photo that you want from the gallery, basically from anywhere in your file explorer. You can also choose a feed from your image. You can select one of these options for the feed. And the second option is the solid color, which makes your background just one solid color. There's nothing to add to it. You can either select one of the standard colors or select a custom one by checking Windows View Colors option and then selecting the customized color for your display. And you can also select a slideshow, which is basically just like one picture and has all the same settings plus some additional ones. So you have to select the album from your file explorer, basically the folder. Select the folder with images that you want to be your wallpapers, and once you do this, you can select the frequency of the image changing on your screen by selecting this option and choosing one of the options on the list. So if we select 1 minute, every minute we'll see a different photo in the background, so every minute will have a different wallpaper, and 30 minutes will change the wallpaper every 30 minutes, and so on. We can shuffle the picture order in the folder so that the pictures will appear randomly instead of in the selected order. And we can also switch this option if we want the slideshow to run when the laptop is on battery power. And we can of course select a feed for each image right here. And the last option for the wallpaper is the Windows Spotlight, and there are no settings to it, so it's basically just a random image that changes once in a while, presented to us by Microsoft. And basically it's just an image that you get, I don't know, maybe every week you get a new one, or maybe even more frequently you get a new picture, and you can get to know about the picture that you have on your desktop by clicking right here. And you can also select a different image and get to know about it more. And basically that's it. That's how you change wallpapers on your laptop. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.